So in this video, we are going to learn how to reply to Google Business Profile reviews based on rating with ChatGPT. So if you have a business profile on Google for your business, then this one automation is going to completely automate the process of replying to your reviews. In this automation, as we are going to receive a new review on our Google Business Profile, as a new review will be posted, automatically we are going to send that review to ChatGPT, and using ChatGPT or any other AI platform of your choice, you can generate a reply for the review. And that reply will be based on the rating, star rating which the user is giving, and also if they are adding the comment, on the basis of that comment as well. After generating the reply, using the same automation, we are going to post the reply given by ChatGPT, and at last, we are going to add all of these details of the review and reply in our Google spreadsheet. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself for your Google Business Profile, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google Business Profile Manager, and I have a business over here. On this Google Business Profile, we are receiving some reviews. Now we want to automatically generate a reply for the reviews which we are receiving using OpenAI or ChatGPT and post the reply which we are receiving on the basis of star rating over here as well. So we basically want to automatically reply to our Google Business Profile reviews. And at last, we want to add all the details like the review which we have received, the date and time, the name of the person, and the reply which we are posting. We want to add all of these details in our Google spreadsheet. Now to do this, we have to connect all of these platforms. We have to connect our Google Business Profile with ChatGPT to generate and post a reply, and with Google Sheet as well to create a record of all of that as well. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform to do so. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After creating the account and coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I would like to name my workflow as Google Business Profile to ChatGPT to Google Sheets. You can basically name anything as per your choice to this workflow. Then we just have to select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on create. And as you click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our Google Business Profile with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we are going to receive a new review on our Google Business Profile, automatically the details of that review will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. It will start. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the star rating or the comment which we have received on that review to ChatGPT. And using ChatGPT, we are going to generate a reply on the basis of the star rating and the comment which we have received as a review. And after that, after generating the reply in the next step, we are going to post the same reply of the review on our Google Business Profile as well. So in this way, we have completely automated the process of replying to our Google Business Profile review. And at last, we are going to add all of these details in our Google spreadsheet using the same automation. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger step, here in Choose App, we will search for Google Business Profile. Just select it. After selecting Google Business Profile, in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Review. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Google Business Profile account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. Then after that, here from this pop-up window, select your Google Business Profile account, then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as you click on Continue, we will see our Google Business Profile account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is most likely possible that in your Google Business Profile Manager, you might have added multiple businesses. So in this drop-down of account, you will see a list of all the accounts which are linked with you. So here you can see I have this account named as Parampara and I want to set up this automation for this particular Google Business Profile account. So I'm going to select this account over here. Also, for the same business, it is most likely possible that there are multiple locations created. So in this drop down of location name, you will see all the locations for your business as well. So for which particular location you want to set up this automation, we have to select that over here. After selecting the account and location name, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And in this response, you will get the details of the last review, the most recent review which we have received on our Google Business Profile. So here you can see we have received a review with 4-star rating. The review was posted on this particular date and time, and the name of the person or the business which has posted the review is Avian Business. And if we check our Google Business Profile, here you can see from Avian Business 5 minutes ago, we have received a review on our Google Business Profile. So this means the first step is successfully done. We have successfully connected our Google Business Profile account with Pabbly Connect and received the most recent review from Google Business Profile with star rating and all the details in our Pabbly Connect workflow. So we have the date and time, that at what date and time this review was posted. We have the star rating which the user has given. We have the profile photo of the person as well. We have the name of the person who has posted the review. We have a unique review ID. We have this review name as well. We have this unique link over here which we are going to use to reply to the review as well later on. Also, we have the created date and time and the comment as well. So the same message, the same comment which was added in the review by the person on our Google Business Profile, the same comment is also received in our Pabbly Connect workflow. So after completing step 1, after getting the reviews from your Google Business Profile in our Pabbly Connect workflow, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to generate a reply for this review as well. For that, we will scroll down, come to this Actions tab, and here in Choose App, we will search for ChatGPT. Now in this video, I'm just using an example of ChatGPT as an AI platform to generate the reply. But instead of ChatGPT, you can use Claude, Perplexity, Google Gemini, any other AI platform of your choice to generate the reply for these reviews as well. So after selecting your AI platform here in Action Event, let's say I'm going to select the action event as Ask ChatGPT. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our ChatGPT, or should I say our OpenAI account, with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key over here. Now you must be thinking how you will get the OpenAI API key to connect this account over here. So to get it, just log into your OpenAI account and from the left sidebar on the dashboard, go to this API key section and click on this Create New Secret Key button. Here in this pop-up window, give this API key a name. Let's say I will name it as Google Business Profile Reviews. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. And after naming it, just select all the permissions over here and click on Create Secret Key. Now, as you click on Create Secret Key, the API key is generated. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, we will see our ChatGPT, or should I say our OpenAI account, will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the AI model. So all the models supported by ChatGPT can be seen over here in this dropdown. Out of all of this, you can select any model as per your choice to generate the reply for the review. Let's say I will be using GPT-4o, the model, to generate the reply for my Google Business Profile reviews. After selecting our AI model, we have to give the prompt over here. So in this prompt, we are going to mention that what we want ChatGPT to do. So I've already created a prompt. Let me enter that prompt over here. Okay, so this is the prompt which I'm giving to ChatGPT, and in this prompt, I'm saying write a concise and professional reply to a Google Business Profile review based on the following details. And here we are going to mention the star rating which we have received and also the comment which we have received in the review from Google Business Profile. Then my prompt says, if the comment is missing, generate a reply based solely on the star rating. So it is most likely possible that we might be getting only the star rating as a review on our Google Business Profile and there is no comment or no text added. So in that case as well, we are mentioning that if the comment is missing, then just generate a reply on the basis of star rating. Ensure the tone matches the star rating, example grateful or positive review, empathic or neutral or negative review, and maintain a polite and professional tone throughout. Only give me the reply, do not add any extra character to it. So I'm also specifically mentioning to ChatGPT that I just want the review over here. I don't want ChatGPT to add any extra text or any commas or double quotes in this reply. I just want a plain reply for the review over here. So you can basically change this prompt as per your choice. If you want, you can mention the details of your business for which you have created your business profile, Google business profile, so that it can generate more precise and personalized review according to that. So you can just completely change the prompt as per your choice. And after writing this prompt, here I'm going to enter the star rating and the comments. Now we have received the star rating and the comments of the review from Google business profile in the trigger step. Now what we have to do, from the trigger step responses, we have to send this response of star rating and the comment to this ChatGPT action step. And to add the trigger step responses to this ChatGPT action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. We will just click on this field of prompt, and here in front of star ratings after a colon, we are going to click here. And here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Business Profile of a new review. Out of all of these responses, we are going to select the response of star rating and it will be mapped. And we are going to use the same process of mapping for comment as well. So in this way, after writing the prompt, we have mapped the star rating and comment of the review which we have received from the trigger step. After writing the prompt and mapping all the details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as you click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received a response. And in this response, in front of message content, you can see this is the reply for the review which was given by ChatGPT. Thank you for your kind words and for making us your go-to store. We are thrilled to hear you love the quality and the style of our clothing. We look forward to serve you again soon. So this is a nice reply for the review which we have received on our Google business profile. So the step 2 of setting up this automation is also completed. We are using ChatGPT. We have generated the reply for the review. Now let's move to step 3. And in step 3, we want to post the same reply given by ChatGPT on our Google business profile. So for this review, we want to post the same reply as well. Now to do this, just click on this Add Action Step button over here. And here in Choose App, we will search for Google Business Profile once again. Just select it. After selecting Google Business Profile, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Reply. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now, because we have connected our Google Business Profile account in the trigger step previously, we don't have to make a new connection. You can just select the existing connection and click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see our Google Business Profile account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, here in review name in front of it, just turn this mapping button on. And here what we have to do, we have to basically mention the name or the unique ID of the review whose reply we want to post. So we will just click on this field. We will turn the mapping button on and click on this field. And here from the drop down, from Google Business Profile's trigger step responses, the response which we have received of a new review, from this responses, we have received the response of a name over here. And we are going to map this response of review name in this review name field. In this way, we are telling this action step, we are telling Google Business Profile that we want to post a reply for this particular review. After mapping the review name, it is asking us for your reply, that what is the reply message which we want to post. So we will just click on this field, and from ChatGPT, we have received our reply message. So we'll just select and map the response of the reply message in your reply field. After mapping the review name and your reply, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this particular reply which was generated by ChatGPT is posted for this review whose review name which we have mapped over here. Basically the same review which we have captured in the trigger step. So let's check it. We will just go to a Google Business Profile. We will just refresh our profile page once and go to the review section. And yes, here you can see that just now, few minutes ago, we have received this reply from ABN Business whose response we have captured in the trigger step of our workflow. And the reply generated by ChatGPT is now posted as well. And this is the exact same reply which is suitable for this review which we have received. This means the automation workflow which we have created till now is working perfectly fine. And we are automatically writing or generating the reply for the reviews of our Google business profile using ChatGPT and posting that replies as well. Now, after this, what we want to do, we want to add the details of this new review and the reply in our Google spreadsheet as a new row, just to create and maintain a record. So for that, just click on this Add Action Step button, and here in Choose App, search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add New Row. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign In with Google button. Select your Google Sheets account in which you want to add the details, just scroll down and click on Continue. And as you click on Continue, you will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the spreadsheet. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which I have in my Google Sheets account. Out of all of this is the spreadsheet named as Google Business Profile Reviews, in which we want to add the details of the review. So from the dropdown, we are going to select the spreadsheet over here. Then it is asking us to select the sheet. So it is most likely possible that in a spreadsheet, you might have created multiple sheets over here. So in which particular sheet you want to add these details, we have to select that. Right now in this Google spreadsheet, I have only one sheet named as Sheet 1. That's why here in the dropdown, we have only one option of Sheet 1 and we are going to select it. Then all the columns of data which we have created in our Google Sheet, you can see all of these columns as fields over here. And as you can guess, once again, we are going to use the same process of mapping and map all the details from the previous 3 steps over here. So in the field of date on time, we are just going to click here from the drop down. From Google Business Profile Responses, we are going to select and map the response of the create date and time, that at what date and time this review was received. Then here in the field of name, we will just click here. From the drop down, we are going to select and map the display name over here, that by what name we have received the review. Then we are going to map the response of the star rating, that what is the star rating which we have received. Then we are going to map the response of comment, the comment which we have received. Then we are going to map the response of the reply which was given by ChatGPT, that what is the reply we have given for this review. And at last, we are going to map the review ID as well. This is the review ID. If you want, you can map the review name, but I'm just going with the review ID for now. So in this way, we have mapped all of these details into the respective field of this Google Sheets Actions tab. After mapping all the details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data of a new review and its reply which we have mapped over here is now added as a new row in our Google spreadsheet. So let's check it. We will just go to a Google Sheet, and yes, here you can see that just now a new row of data is added. And in this data, we have the same date and time, that at what date and time this review was received. We have the name of the same person or business who has posted the review on our Google Business Profile. We have the star rating, we have the comment over here, we have the reply which we have given posted for this review, and also we have the review ID. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect between Google Business Profile, ChatGPT, and Google Sheets, this automation is working perfectly fine. And now using this automation, you can automate the process of replying to the reviews which you are receiving on your Google Business Profile and adding those reviews in your Google spreadsheet. Now using this automation, every 1 hour, Pabbly Connect will check for new reviews in our Google Business Profile. And if we have received any new reviews, it will fetch the details of those reviews and start this automation workflow and post the reply for those reviews using the same automation. And it basically takes 1 hour of time because the connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, Pabbly Connect will check for new reviews on our Google Business Profile every 1 hour. But there is an option. You can just click on these 3 dots on your Google Business Profile trigger step, and after that just select this set trigger time option. Then here from this dropdown, if you want, you can change the trigger time as per your choice as well. So here in this dropdown, you can see we have a list of different options. Like you can select the trigger time from 10 minutes up to 24 hours. So you can basically select any frequency as per your choice, that at what frequency you want Pabbly Connect will check for your reviews on your Google Business Profile. If you want, you can check for reviews once a day. Like if you set the trigger time as 24 hours. After every 24 hours, Pabbly Connect will check for the data of new reviews on our Google Business Profile. And if we have received any new reviews, it will get all of the new reviews. And using this automation, it will generate the reply and post the reply for the reviews as well. So you can basically set the trigger time as per your choice. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.